Hello everyone. So today I wanted to show you very quickly how I made this hurricane candle holder. All I did was I used a candlestick and a vase from Dollar Tree and I glued it on with my, let me show you, E6000 glue. And then I let it set overnight. Then here I used washi tape. They have them at the Dollar Tree. This like cheetah print washi tape and this black lace washi tape. And all I did was I put this one first and then that one on top. And then in the middle here, I used my favorite, which is this rhinestones that's on like a mesh kind of, see that? And I got this at Michael's. Also this ribbon right here, you can see that? That is the bow that I made here, a little tiny bow. Then in the middle of the bow, you can't really see it. No, you can't see it. I used one of these from Recollections, also from Michael's. One of these little like black rhinestones. They're not really shiny at all. Then I used a cameo here and I kind of bent it so it could be shaped into the vase so it would be flush. And all that is some earrings that I picked up at the 99-cent store. See if you can see that. There you go. And I just took off the part that you hook into your ear. And then I just glued it on here. And then the bow on top there. Then moving up here, I wrote love with these stick-on letters. Then at the top here, I just put some white glue and some of this glitter that you can find also at the dollar store. Can you see that? Anyway, and I just dipped it in there. And then this is how it turned out. So I hope you like this tutorial and you give this a try. Thanks for watching.